back to my channel. I'm Brianna, or Bree, and I'm so excited today to be finally unboxing the brand new iPad Air 4. And I'm just super excited to have it in my hand because we had to wait a month after the event. I had to wait 2 weeks personally to get it into my hands, but it's finally here. I've been wanting an iPad for so long, and this will be my very first iPad. So I'm just super excited to unbox it for you guys today and show you guys what's inside. Let's get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so first things first, tell me why my package came with the flaps open like this. Like, we're gonna have to look in here and make sure everything is in here because I don't know why UPS dropped it off like this. And they were supposed to get my signature when they dropped it at my door. There are pull tabs over on the side here. So I'm just gonna pull. There's not one on the other side. And there we have it. It is our iPad Air. And I obviously, as you can see, I got it in the blue color. They have it nice and tightly sealed in here. I'm just gonna pull this stuff back and try and pull it out. Ooh. Ooh, okay, it almost fell. This is the main event. I obviously have some accessories to go along with it, but we're gonna go right in for the kill today. There is pull tabs on the actual Apple device as well, so you can just pull right there. Super satisfying. I love that the box has the iPad Air and the little Apple sign in the sky blue color. It's very exciting. So we're just gonna shimmy this top part off. It's pretty airtight. I love Apple's packaging. It's so great. And I'm super excited for the Touch ID on the top of this iPad. And there it is. Okay, I'm gonna try and show you guys without breaking anything. So here is the iPad. As you can see, there is a tab so that you can pull it out without like breaking it. So we're gonna set it to the side just for a second. Okay, and then on the inside it just says designed by Apple in California. And I was really hoping that we were gonna get the colored stickers that go with this, but not. The Apple Pencil 2 actually magnetically charges to this one, and that was one of my biggest things about the iPad is that I didn't want to have to plug in the old Apple Pencil on the bottom of the device, which I felt like that was really weird for people to do in the past. Really funky just to do in general. So I'm really glad that this one magnetically charges on the side of the iPad. Look at the color. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. It's such like a very baby blue, and I'm really enjoying the color of it. I feel like, let me unwrap the final piece. And then you just slide it out. And there she is. Yes. That is my iPad. And my hands are really sweaty, so you can probably see all of my little handprints on it right now. She is so beautiful and blue. And blue is my favorite color, y'all. This is beautiful. This is pretty beautiful. And I feel like it's a good size now that I'm like actually looking at it, because at first I was like, this is really small. I'm gonna set this aside just for a second, just to show you guys what else is in the box. Underneath the instructions, there is a 20-watt fast charger that has the USB-C plug-in. I think this is the same one that used to come with like the iPhone 11s, but this year they stopped doing it with the iPhones, so the new iPhone 12s will not come with this fast charger. but we actually get the 20-watt one, so that's pretty cool. I think even with the iPhone 11, you got like a 18-watt fast charger, but this is a 20-watt fast charger, and it came in the box. So thank you, Apple, for still including the fast charger in the box for the iPad. And then the charge cable is USB-C to USB-C because the iPad's Airs now have the USB-C plug-in. So I just press the on button, and let's see if it will boot up for us. It's not turning on. Maybe I have to hold it for longer. There it goes. There we go, Apple. So while that's turning on, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more about what I exactly got. So this iPad is the $749 version. So it is the 10.9-inch iPad Air in the sky blue color with Wi-Fi and 256 gigabytes of storage. So that is my device. Okay, sorry, before I do anything else, I want to put my case on my device so that we can be safe and make sure that no hurt or harm comes to this because there's a lot of money. The one that I got is from Fintai, which is an Amazon brand, and I'll have everything linked down below if you want to get the same things that I got. But I don't have a screen protector right now. I can't decide whether I want a matte one or just a regular shiny one. So I'm just gonna test out the screen for a couple of days and then decide. It's like a white marbly color, which I thought would look really good with the sky blue. So we're just gonna unbox it right now, unbag it. So as you can see, it's just like a really marbly kind of color. So that's the front of it. And then the back is just clear so you can see the blue, hopefully, of the iPad Air. So we're just gonna pop this sucker in and see how she looks. In our case, look how beautiful it looks, y'all. This is like I think this is the perfect decision. This is the perfect choice. It has a little Apple Pencil slot and it can still charge from here because it doesn't like have anything blocking the Apple Pencil from the iPad. So it's literally gonna look so good. It's real premium. It's a real premium case. Like I said, it's by Fintai and it's really soft on the inside. The blue looks so good inside there. It's so beautiful. It looks so beautiful inside of this case. So the last thing we're gonna open is the Apple Pencil. And the Apple Pencil came obviously way before my iPad Air, but I've been waiting to get my iPad Air because you can't really use the Apple Pencil without the iPad. So here we are. Here's the box. And I'm just going to pull the tab. And then it just opens up right there. And there she is. There she is. So there is the Apple Pencil. This actually just slides out. It has a tab on the side. And it just slides out for instructions. And then here it is. It looks so different than I thought it was gonna look. It looks so different. And everything is unboxed now. Okay, so one of the last things I'm gonna do is set up Touch ID on camera with you guys. So I'm gonna press continue, and then it says start by placing your finger on the top button. So I'm just gonna kind of do it. And you wanna do this, if you have a case, go ahead and do it like with the case on there. That way you can get the amount of your finger that is going to be using that. Keep going to capture the edges of your print, it says. It is 10.9 inches and it does have these smaller bezels. The bezels are super small compared to the last iPad Air. The last iPad Air did have a home button at the bottom, but now we just have the edge-to-edge display like we have on the iPad Pro and on all the iPhones currently. Got it in the sky blue color, but it also comes in rose gold, the green color, the silver, and the space gray. It does have the new A14 Bionic chip. It comes with the 5nm processor and 16-core neural engine. It has the Touch ID built into the top lock screen button. It is the smallest Touch ID sensor ever in an Apple product, so I'm super excited to try it out. It does have the USB-C port, which provides 10 times faster transportation between devices. It has a front 7-megapixel FaceTime HD camera. It has a back 12nm camera with up to 1.8 aperture, which is actually the same aperture I'm shooting on my camera right now. So that's really cool. It has stereo speakers, not the same as the iPad Pro exactly, because the iPad Pro actually has 4 speakers, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. This does have 4 outlets. It still only has 2 speakers, so it just sends the sound to both of the speakers on each side. So you can choose between the 64 gigabyte and the top of the line 256. I decided to go with the 256 for me just because of the purposes that I will be using this for. And I'm really excited that I did spend $100 or so more just to get that. Not have the 120 hertz ProMotion display. It does have up to 500 nits of brightness, Apple Pencil 2, Smart Folio, and Magic Keyboard supports, as well as 10 hours of battery life and the 20-watt fast charger that comes in the box. Okay guys, well that is it for the unboxing. I'm super excited to make more of these tech videos. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and like down below and subscribe. But I was super blessed to be able to save up my money this entire year to purchase this iPad, and I'm so excited that it's finally here and I get to play around with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love making Apple product videos, so if you guys enjoy, go ahead and subscribe, and that will definitely be a part of my channel going forward. And I'll see you guys in the next video.